through the hole in the housing and also through the hole in the pulley.
If you want to learn more about what's happening in Hawaii, please click the subscribe and like button below. It's your passport to be more educated about this wonderful place called Hawaii. You can learn more about activities, sites, culture, and much, much more.
Because it can do that. It's loose already, yeah? So you can yeah, put it in here so you don't lose it. Screwdriver in there. So that it's the other way. Yes.
A master artisan discovered a new method to manufacture professional-grade Japanese knives. He named it Matsuda, a brilliant alternative to traditional Boston knife sets that became free. Unlike most knives, Matsuda was made from stainless steel and ultra-sharp to glide through the toughest foods with ease. Its ergonomic design and finger grip ensure optimal safety and comfort at all times. The number one cause of kitchen accidents are blades and stuffy screwdriver sharpening the blade dissolve and start to overflow, which can cause serious issues over time. The Matsuda lasts for over 5 years and doesn't require a sharpener. It's the ultimate party trick for any dinner party or barbecue. It quickly went viral on Facebook with everyone showing off.
Then what to do?